Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check settings about phone for model and Android version, and backup contacts and call logs to your Google account or a local file. Once that's done, make sure your battery is at least 50% charged and connect to Wi-Fi to avoid data charges. Next, open the phone app and prepare to adjust call settings. This is the first actionable step you take before changing how calls update or display on your device. You now move into the detailed execution. Open the phone app, tap the three dots or menu, then Settings and Call Settings. Toggle caller ID and caller name display to control how incoming calls update on screen. Enable or disable call screening to let Google Assistant filter spam. Also, enter App See All Apps Carrier app and the phone app to confirm call permissions and notification priority. Once changed, make sure to restart the phone app so settings apply cleanly. Finish by restarting your phone, then test several incoming and outgoing calls to verify the updates take effect. You want consistent caller name and ID behavior. If something still behaves oddly, go to Settings Apps Phone Storage and clear cache, or uninstall recent phone updates and reinstall them. If caller info is wrong due to network provisioning, contact your carrier, explain the device model and recent changes, because sometimes the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.